friends, my name is Aryan Kaushik. Today I am going to tell you how does the airplane fly. Airplane. Now I will make the structure of it. To make this structure, first do like this. So that like this. You have to make so many cross. And after that, a big dot at the center. Now this much has done. Now we have to do like this. And after that, do like this. It's called fan and it's called compressor. And in compressor, you have to make some dot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. You have to make some dots. If you don't want to make, you can leave it. After that, do like this. And you have to make like this. And after that, you have to do like this. It's called sparkler. And after that, you have to make a line. You have to make like this. And from upper side also. The fuel of the engine are in the wings, but for the engine there are some pipes, and because of these pipes the fuel supplies go to the engine. After that, we will make its turbine. First like this, small, some big, some more big, some more big, and some more big. Now this much only, some small, some small, some small, some small. This, and now our structure is completed. Now I am going to tell you how it's work. And one interesting thing, that this fan can take such a big box inside this. It takes 100% air in, and we call it in the air. When air enters it, I am writing air. Intake air. Intake INTAKE, intake air. It's called intake air. Now I am going to tell you that about bypass exhaust. It takes air 90%. The 90% air it takes, and it's called bypass. It's called bypass exhaust. So now it's bypass exhaust. It's called bypass exhaust. Now I am going to tell you about core exhaust. From this air only, the compressor takes 90% air in, and it's called core exhaust. It's called core exhaust. You know what is core exhaust? This is when the snow came outside, then it's snow exhaust. Now I'm going to tell you how it's work. So now I'm going to tell you how it works, but wait. So now I am also going to tell you that one interesting thing about it, that it takes 100% air in, but it throws only 90% air out. How? Now I will tell you. When this intake air work, then this compressor takes 10% air in. If it will be take on, the air will not go out and this airplane can't fly. So now I am going to tell you that, but I am going to tell you now that. So let's start. And now this this core exhaust has happened and all these things have happened, but this compressor will take 10% air in and it will send it to this one, and it's called it is a chamber. Now I am going to tell you this pipes throws fuel inside that. It has not petrol, it has kerosene oil, that is not like fuel. So this fuel will be here, and here the fire will be there. So this fire will be there here. I have colored here. See, here will be the fire, and this fire will make this turbine works, and because of this turbine the fan will work. The turbine make the fan work nicely. Now this turbine will have so many smoke here, and now the air will be so hot. Now what will be there? This engine has, from this engine the air will try to leave the engine, so it will go here. Here is fan, he is taking air in only, so if it will go towards it, it will do like this only, and when it say let's go there, and here is turbine, it makes so hot, and when this will touch here, it's called core exhaust, means there are so many smokes. Now I am going to tell you reverse engine. Some people say that when the runway is so small, then there are reverse engine. Reverse engine means this is not reverse engine, that the aeroplane fan will be working opposite. The fan will working like that only. Here when the bypass exhaust will work, here do you know what will happen? This one will be opened. This much part will be opened now, and when it will open, here from this spark plug there will be like this. Now this spark plug, if the bypass exhaust will go here, it has to turn here. Now have you remember? And now it has gone there. Engine will work, but the engine's power will be lost. It's called that the power has lost. Now I will tell you about rat. See, now I am drawing a picture of an aeroplane. This is if it is an aeroplane. And its engine is working nicely. And if any bird will go inside this, the engine can be crashed. Do you know how? The engine will be failed because these birds, when anything will go inside this, if a paper also go inside this, it can damage. Because when this turbine, that bird will go inside this, there will be fire in the bird and this engine will be damaged. And after that all the birds will be sad, and now they will also go to die. This engine not working, this engine not working, this engine not working, this engine not working. This 4 engine is not working. Now what should we do? Now from here there will be a machine rat. This is also engine, and we call it's not an engine, it's a turbine. Rat means ran air turbine. Rat means ran air turbine. Now this ran air turbine will work there. No, if the airplane is crashing, then this turbine will open. So now there is one more doubt in your mind, that this fan will not work. This fan will not work. So now in this tank, in this chamber where fire is there, it will not work, and now turbine will not work, and because of this turbine this will not work. So now what should we do? This fan will say that now you make me work. Now he will say that now you make me work. So now what is the problem? If the pilot make its work by coming down, if it will start, it can take the pilot in this only. Now there is one more problem. Now what should we do? We should add something. So now I have one more interesting thing for you. That at the back there is no engine, and in some airplanes there are 2 engines only, but where is the engine? At the back. Now at the back also there is a battery, auxiliary power unit, the hidden engine. And its short form is APU. This APU will be at the back of an plane. Like this is an plane, and at here there will be the hidden engine, means APU. It will start the fan for only 1 minute, and the compressor will say, hey, the fan is working, let me take 10% air in. Now this compressor chamber has fire. Now this Now this kerosene oil will work, this will work and this will work, and now this has also happened. So now I am going to tell you about ramjet and scramjet. Now first I will tell you ramjet. Ramjet is like this. First let me make the structure of ramjet. It's like this, 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 this. Now this ramjet, what if it will work? It only used in missiles, not in these aeroplanes. This air will come in, and now here it's so not more space to go the air out. Now here only the fuel will be thrown, and now this one, and now this much that fuel thrown, because of this there will be fire, and now the fire will go and it will go like this, and from that also the dangerous one is scramjet. It one is so big, its mouth, and here it is so, and here it is so, and here it is so means very small place to go the air out. And here are these pipes. So now it will take air. Now it will try to run from here. When it will run, the fuel will come here, and such a small place, and it will go like this, bigger than that also. So like my channel, subscribe my channel, and share it also. Bye bye.